Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing issue on your TikTok account. So guys, if you're trying to send someone direct message but there is no option to send message, then here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and then search for TikTok. So guys, simply search for TikTok, and after this download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device. So guys, simply install the TikTok app, and after this you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply ensure your profile age is over 16. So guys, if you are less than 18 years, then there will be no option for direct message for you. So guys, you have to simply open your profile in order to fix your age. Then you have to simply tap on profile and then tap on three lines button and then go to settings and privacy and then go to account. So guys, you have to simply go to account from here and then go to personal information, and from here go to date and birth, and from here you have to simply make sure that you are above 18, and if you're not above 18 then you have to simply wait for the time period, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, you have to simply update your device to the latest version, and then you have to fix your age on your TikTok account, and after this you will be able to send or receive direct messages from your TikTok account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.